So this video is in response to Jairus
World's Greatest RC Car Challenge 2018 hashtag.
Now the rules of the competition were pretty clear, but the goals weren't so much. So what I chose to do was make my car fast, well, at least faster than it was. And my plans to do this included increasing the wheel size, reducing the weight, and adding a fan on the back. I realized that the fan probably didn't have that much of an impact, but I thought it'd be cool to have it spinning on the back, kind of be cool to add, so I thought I'd do it. Before doing any modifications, I tested the car to have a base time. That way I could see if the mods that I implemented actually improved anything. Here I tested a few different motors that I had lying around just to see what configuration I would create the most thrust. And now I started on the car. I really tried to remove as much unnecessary weight as possible, bring it down to be a really small, compact car. Just small and fast was kind of what I was aiming for. This wheel here is what I planned to use on the rear wheels. When you change the rear wheels to make them bigger, it would actually dig into the ground, and it was really hard to be able to cut that bit off, so I just scrapped the idea of adding wheels. What ended up happening was that the circuit board basically broke. All the wires came out of the circuit board. I don't think it was probably meant to be pulled apart and handled so much. I ended up taking out all the wires from the circuit board and then resoldered on new wires. When the car just spun in circles, I realized I totally forgot about weight distribution, so I changed it up a little bit and it was able to have more weight on the front, which is what I needed to have. After testing the car, I took the fan off because I really don't think it was doing much. I didn't do any maths to see how much power it needed or anything like that. I just placed it in a parallel circuit with the rear motor so it would turn on when the car went forward. Once I took off the fan, I had the same problem of not having enough weight in the front. So I just grabbed a weight and hot glued it to the front. In hindsight, I should have just moved the battery. That would have done enough. It's kind of ironic adding a weight since I spent so much time getting rid of all these little bits of weight, but anyway. So I managed to improve the time over the 3 meter sprint. But overall the performance of the car is way worse than before. For instance, it won't go backwards anymore, and because of the 9-volt battery, the front wheels move so quickly when turning, the car often flips. But even if it doesn't, there's no chance of being able to steer this thing accurately. It's just useless, really. It was a pretty interesting experiment. I certainly learnt a lot. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks to Jairus for making this challenge. It was a lot of fun.